so that's me going to unmount that bike from the magnetic stand. It's been sitting on that for years because I need to bring it to the shop and adjust to have it lubricate, mainly adjust it because I cannot change the gear. Hopefully nothing is broken. So let's do that. So we are halfway through. I pumped a little bit the tires. I put the clamp, whatever screw, whatever the name is, back here because that was a different one on. Fortunately, I had a box with the part, the original part, and I have the manual here. I found it. That's good, very good. Now I'm gonna install the car. Getting there, so the last step is to put the rack here on my car. Has to go there, if I remember how to set it up, because it's been decades. Stuff is up. I could figure out how to clamp it. I didn't tie it in with the lock, because I'm just going there, hopefully it's fine. Take the lock in the car just in case. Go, it's on. Hopefully it's fine. We'll see. I'm ready to roll. Hopefully I did the right stuff. I don't remember anything about that stuff. All went well. My bike is at the shop and I'm gonna remove that stuff. It doesn't stay to the element because it's gonna be there for 1 week at least, so I will need to drive with that stuff. And anyway, all the sensors are like going crazy now that has this stuff. I have to remove manually each time the sensor, so let's remove that stuff. It's not useful. My bike is ready, so I need to put that stuff back up and go fetch the bike. It's back up and it's rock solid. Not flimsy anymore. The bike is back. I'm gonna put it back on the trainer and also remove the Thule stuff. Everything is in order. Removed everything. I just need to put the bike on the trainer. My bike is back on the trainer and I managed it. I didn't break anything and it works. And I could change my gear and now I have a little bell. So that's nice. That's better. And I have a new stuff here because that was broken and I could go back to gear number 5 on the pedalier number 2. All good. We are all good. That's how it looks in the basement.